How to manage recommendations notifications on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage recommendations notifications on Xbox Mobile. First thing, go to Xbox and then click this one here in your profile, and now click here this icon, and then click this one here, notifications, and now just click go down and you will find this one here, recommendations. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and if you want to turn it on again, click on it. And that's how manage recommendations notifications on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.